did build out a team. I did have a partner, and then I did one of those things where we're still friends, but I did do a 50-50. I highly recommend not doing the 50-50. It's kind of like getting married, guys. Like,
Huh.
everything's great or not, but you gotta know that like things might get a little tricky, you know?
Hmm.
So luckily for us, our lawyers set it up where when we first started, we couldn't believe like $100,000. Like, that's a lot. So like we made it where whatever the company was, if somebody wanted to leave, they just had to pay $100,000. Now, how do you walk away from $100,000 when the company's making millions?
Yeah,
It
yeah, yeah, yeah,
forces you to actually work really hard or come into an agreement that works for both people. But in, like, let's
gotcha.
say you're not making a million and like the company's not doing well, 100,000 is a lot, right? So
Yeah,
it was this weird kind of number where it helped us to kind of work out in an amicable agreement because
gotcha. Gotcha.
we're
So if you
married.
wanted to exit, you just gotta, hey, here's the agreement, and then we can go our separate way.